Hit it! What are we doing today? What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I finally got my Street Series MAGNAFLOW exhaust in. So originally I just cut the mufflers off the car because I wanted it to be a little bit louder so I could hear that sweet LS1. Sweet LS1 firing order. Now let's get the car up in the air and start putting the new exhaust on. Check out my race ramps. You have anything to say to the people on the internet?
V8s. Woo.
This is the jerry-rigged exhaust that Steve did. Is he literally lopped off the muffler right there.
For sale, DM me.
Yeah, custom axle back exhaust for sale, 800 bucks. Steven, did you buy these tips that you have right now from the O'Reilly's Chrome aisle?
Bet your ass.
That aisle where you're not supposed to buy anything from?
Look at that. Not too bad.
You know what you're doing?
No, I've never done this before.
That wasn't too bad. Now we just gotta put the new stuff in.
That wasn't bad at all.
Without getting any dirt on those new exhaust tips. Or scratches.
That'll be the hard part. Oopsie. All right.
Almost done.
Yeah, almost done. So now we just gotta put the gaskets in and bolt it to the new part.
All right, putting the muffler on now?
Yeah, finally. I might regret tightening down those pipes. I might need some play in them still, but let's see how this goes.
Oh, you just scratched the tips.
Tips.
At least it was the bottom. Dude, those are some fat boys, huh?
Mm-hmm. Nope, still shitty. I'm off by like an inch. I mean, I guess I could just put force on it. Right there?
Yeah, it's even.
Alright, last call. Good? Go!
I don't want this responsibility. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It's even. You versus the guy she tells you not to worry about.
This is 1100 exhaust, so it should sound like 1100 bucks. Shout out to my boy Josh Liam for giving me a deal. I didn't pay near that, but
still pretty. It's a good. It's still pretty loud at idle.
Yeah, we'll let it warm up for a second.
Again.
So, in my opinion, it's obviously much quieter, but it's cleaner. It doesn't have that raspy ting to it anymore.
I think it sounds good.
Yeah.
Not too much,
People
not
say-
too little.
Yeah, not too much, not too little. It is their street exhaust. You can get the race exhaust, which is just like actual
The same thing you
straight
had?
pipes. Yeah, the same thing I had, except professional and not all haggard together. But all right, guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.